Alright, episode 3 of the Nano Hydro PowerStation series. Such a long name, but here we go. I was so close from crashing the drone into that house, if you saw that in the intro clip. Oh, I almost crashed in that house! But anyways, in this video we're gonna start assembling the whole power station and putting together the axle, the turbine and generator and all the stuff like that. And yeah, basically make it ready for installation by the water stream. But that doesn't mean it's going to be ready for producing electricity, because we have all of the electronics and wiring to figure out, and also we have the water dam to build. So let's get to it. You're probably wondering why I dragged the whole frame outside. Well, I'm gonna sand the whole thing, so better get started before the sun goes down. Well, I didn't finish sanding the whole frame before the sun went down, but eventually I got finished. And the before and after results, they are certainly noticeable. I can't say that word properly. They are certainly noticeable. And I also cut all the legs to the same height, so it's much easier to work with. But before we start installing the turbine axle, the generator and also the new bicycle wheel, we're gonna paint the whole frame with the same color as the turbine. And luckily for us, we don't have to treat the whole frame with epoxy, because the frame is already built out of processed wood, which means it doesn't rot as fast as regular wood. So, I guess it is painting time. this is pretty much as far as I'm getting this video. The PowerStation is assembled, but it still needs some work. Like, we have to make an adapter for the generator to make the strap fit better, and also some sort of mechanism to move the generator slightly to tighten the strap. We also have to paint the wood piece for the hinges and also put on a few epoxy layers on the inside of the PowerStation lid. But other than that, in the next episode we'll begin working with concrete and make the foundation for the PowerStation and also the water dam itself. And we're also gonna make the mechanism for the generator to make it move slightly. And before anyone points it out, this is not blood, and also this. It is red paint, just so everyone knows it before anyone puts it out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.